This is not an AI tools course. It's not about chasing updates, it's not about random prompts, and it's definitely not about becoming technical. This program is about professional leverage. Most professionals are reacting to AI. They test tools, they experiment, they watch tutorials, but they never install AI strategically. And that's the difference. Curiosity versus advantage. AI is not a feature, it's infrastructure. And when infrastructure changes, advantage changes. Let's talk about what that means for you. In the next 8 weeks, 3 measurable shifts will happen. Shift number 1 is time. You will save real hours every week, not theory, measured time. Shift number 2 is thinking. AI will not replace your judgment. It will challenge assumptions, stress test ideas, expand strategic options. You won't just work faster, you'll think better. Shift number 3 is leverage. The professionals who win aren't just efficient, they're visible. They communicate impact, they quantify results. Automation, decision intelligence, revenue leverage. You're not learning tricks. You're installing a system, and systems compound. But results only come with a certain standard. Let's talk about that. This program assumes something important. You're serious about your career. You're not here for entertainment, you're not here for curiosity, you're here for leverage. That means 3 things. You implement weekly, you measure results, you improve systems, because information doesn't create advantage. Implementation does. Week 1 is clarity. Week 2 is installation. Week 3 is elevation. Week 4 is visibility. From there, leverage. By the end of this system, you won't just use AI, you'll control it. And when you control leverage, you control trajectory. Let's begin.